Will NoFap make me more attractive? The answer is yes. You will be way more attractive as a man who practices NoFap for a few different reasons. Now, one, on the exterior, you're going to experience the ability to achieve your goals much more effectively. You're going to have confidence, which is going to help you set bigger and better goals. You're going to have mood changes. You're going to have a dramatically better mood, which makes you more pleasant to be around. That makes you more attractive. And you're also going to experience more social fluidity, less anxiety. You just naturally open up more. It's like you break down all the frozen pieces of you that have kept you guarded and like shriveled up, which is not attractive, and you open up into a beautiful masculine man that has all the signals of an attractive man. But most importantly, it really frees you up. It makes you lighter. It makes you a better version of yourself, and that is very attractive. Now, talking more about the internal, of course, spirituality plays a big part of this. A lot of people say that we're actually spiritual beings going through a human experience. Like this physical body is one thing, but we're really spiritual beings first. And the rest of it is just a shell. Now, if that's true, NoFap and cleansing one's spirit of contamination, of the weight of the world, of all the, let's say, ugly parts of the world, the more we can let go of that, the more vibrant our spirit becomes. And the more vibrant our spirit, then the more attractive we become. Because if we are spiritual beings, we're going to be magnetized to other spiritual beings that also have a lighthearted cleanliness to their soul in a way, rather than a dirty, heavy soul that you could really feel. Like there's some people you walk around or you spend time with and you just feel it. Like it just doesn't feel, you don't feel the connection, right? Of course, we do attract the level that we're on. So if we're at a very low vibration, we often attract more low vibration energy into our life. But this creates a higher vibration. And the higher your vibration, the more attractive you are. People want to gravitate to higher vibration people who are, in a better state. Another thing is when you're on NoFap, you feel like a 10 or at least an 8 out of 10. And most people are operating at a 6 out of 10. Now, would you be attracted to a 6 out of 10? What about a 3 out of 10? Would you be attracted to that? Obviously not. NoFap takes you and pumps your state up to a 10 out of 10. So for no reason at all, you're just vibrating and people are just attracted to it. Another internal thing that happens that I can't yet explain is the release of testosterone and pheromones. And those chemicals have been known to create attention, alertness, and often attraction from the opposite sex, sometimes even the same sex. A man that releases a lot of pheromones and testosterone will command the respect of other men. So that's a really interesting phenomenon that I've experienced on my longer streaks, and I have no idea why, but people would contact me that I haven't talked to for years. Like people just felt something in the air that was different. I don't know if it was physical, spiritual, but it definitely happened. There was a few occasions where a beautiful girl that I was talking to, I stopped talking to her for years, and then she messages me out of the blue while I'm on this incredible streak. Little bizarre miracles like that definitely happen. It's, I think, because you become more of an attractive person when you're working on this habit. So yes, NoFap will definitely make you attractive. When you combine NoFap with your goals, your habits, your routines, it amplifies everything and you become even more attractive. So if this is something that's interesting to you, definitely check out more of my videos where I help you through different levels of NoFap so you can start to reap the benefits as well. And the biggest thing I could say is just try it for yourself and see how it works. All right, that's it for now. Have a great day.